Are you in the market to rent a dumpster? Maybe you're going through a home renovation, cleaning up before a relocation, or taking on a big DIY project. Since renting a dumpster probably isn't something you do very often, we'd like to share a couple tips that'll help you make the best rental decision. Let's dive right in. Dumpster size. Let's start with the basics. What size dumpster will you need? In Canada, bins come in 4, 9, 12, 14, and 20 yards. In the United States, sizes include 4, 10, 14, and 20 yards. 4 and 6 yard dumpsters are good for small jobs like a one-car garage cleanout or a small renovation. 9 and 10 yard bins are the most commonly requested. They'll serve almost any household job except major renovations. If you're clearing out a large garage or a basement, putting on a new roof, remodeling a small kitchen or bathroom, a mid-sized dumpster is likely a good fit for your project. 14 and 20 yard dumpsters are used for major remodels and large home renovations. If you're adding an addition to your house or clearing out grandma's attic, a larger bin may be the right fit. How to reserve. Ideally, it's best to plan ahead for your dumpster rental. A project that needs a rental dumpster is most likely a big one. A good dumpster company will ask you what your needs are. Then they'll ask you to give details about the nature of your project in order to help you decide what bin to choose. The more details you supply, the better they'll be able to suggest a suitable delivery time. How long can you keep the dumpster? Most rental companies will allow you to keep the bin for around 5 to 7 days, giving you plenty of time to fill it. But in our experience, most homeowners only need their dumpsters for about 3.5 days. When you call to book your rental dumpster delivery, discuss your needs and anticipated timeline with the customer service rep. How much will it cost? Well, it's hard to pinpoint an exact price in an overview like this, but what are some of the factors that will affect the pricing? Well, the size of the dumpster will affect your pricing the most. Then there's how long you plan to keep it. Again, most people rent bins for 5 to 7 days. Also, there's typically a set charge for every day you keep the bin over the allotted time. Finally, what you put in the bin will affect the pricing too. You'll probably incur a larger bill if you're putting dirt, concrete, shingles, or tile into the bin. Bins that are used for home clearouts, including large furniture, construction, and debris, tend not to weigh as much. If your rental company offers all-in pricing, that price tag will usually include 1 to 2 tons of junk. If you're ready to make your dumpster rental decision, feel free to visit us online at bintheredumpthat.com for more information. We'll be standing by to help you through the entire process. And if you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.